This peanut butter chicken curry sauce is super easy to make, and it tastes absolutely delicious. I am very sure that you and your family are going to love this. So if you're interested to see how I made this delicious sauce, then keep on watching. For the list of ingredients I used in this video, please kindly check the description box below. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to preheat your oil. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then add 1 diced onion, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, half tablespoon of garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic if you want. Mix everything together and let the onions and the ginger and the garlic fry for about 2 minutes. Then add your chicken. For this recipe, I'm also using chicken breast. You can use any meat of your choice. Now once you've added the chicken, mix everything together and add half tablespoon of thyme, half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Now mix everything together again. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and add some seasoning cubes. Add 1 chopped scotch bonnet pepper, 1 diced bell pepper. I'm using yellow bell pepper. You can use green or red. It doesn't necessarily have to be yellow, but I have yellow at hand, so that's why I'm using yellow. Now while that is sitting, we are going to prepare our peanut butter. Can you see the brand I'm using? It says no added sugar, so make sure you are using the one that has no sugar in it. Now I'm going to scoop out 2.5 tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to start mixing it up with some water until I achieve the consistency I'm going to show you later. Keep adding more water, just a little at a time. You don't have to pour everything at once. Alright, this is the consistency you should be aiming at. Once we are done with that, we are going to add that into the pot. Add water depending on the consistency you want. If you want it too watery, you can add more water. If you want it to be very thick, then you can add a little bit of water. Right now mine looks as if it's too watery, but it's going to thicken up a little bit, as you will see later. So I just tasted it to see if I needed to add more salt and more seasonings, but I only needed to add more salt, so I added half teaspoon of salt. Mix it up together, cover the pot and let it cook for 10 minutes. Alright guys, after 10 minutes of cooking, this is what my sauce looks like, and as you can see now, it has thickened up a little bit. It is just perfect, just the way I want it. I don't want it too thick, I don't want it too thin, just in between, just like you saw now. Alright, at this point your sauce is ready, but I'm just going to finish it up with some frozen mixed vegetable, just to add more color to it and more deliciousness to the sauce. And as you can see, it makes a huge difference when you add the mixed vegetables. So guys, I really do hope you give this recipe a try. Trust me guys, you will love this particular recipe. I'm telling you, you really need to try it. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I really do appreciate. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.